we have here. Let me clear this real quick, then let's see what we got here. So in the console, let's do this, and then we reload. Let me see, we're gonna have to print, let's call the function. Okay, so I call the function, and then we have the user ID showing there. And then what if we uncomment this one, which is the console.log, and then we have Paul, and then we have the ID. So this, you see, now we have the var, which is the variable, which is Paul, is inside the immediate function. So this is actually the immediate function, and then also in this let is also in the immediate enclosed block, which is actually this. It's still the immediate function, and it's still the immediate enclosed block. So the rules for this scope is true for both. But what if we want to try outside the immediate function and block? So we have this code here. So let's say inside here we have one other code in here, which makes it another block inside. Okay, then inside the function here, let's say we want to print this after here. Okay, now you see what we have here. Since one is not meeting the condition of the rule, it's giving us error. And which one is that? This is the ID, and the ID is assigned to what? Let me comment this so you understand what I'm saying. So the var needs to follow the rule of immediate function. So that means, let me reload the screen. That means the var can be executed in all these functions. So immediate function, so here is the immediate function, and here is also the immediate function. So but for the let, it's immediate enclosed block, so it's only true when it's inside this enclosed block. And you know, curly bracket open and close is one block, and this here from here is another block. So we have another block here. So when we call a let variable inside another block, it does not pass this rule because it's outside, not in the immediate enclosed. So it gives us this error. But the variable which is named print Paul exactly. So when we uncomment this, all these ones are inside the immediate function and also in the immediate block. For the var, it's in the immediate block and function, so it works correctly. This one, it's only in the enclosed, so with this two is the enclosed. Anything apart from this enclosed is not going to function. So I print all. First, immediate function for the var, immediate block for the let, it print immediate function, but not the immediate block. It still work for the var. This is inside, it's not in the immediate block, but it's in the immediate function, so it gives this error. So that is the difference between a var and then a let. Now we know constant means it cannot be changed when we assign a variable to it. Peace, I'm out.